In this video, I will show you how to set two-step verification on your WhatsApp so that you can prevent yourself from others getting access to your WhatsApp messages and prevent yourself from scammers. So let's start it. You go to your WhatsApp, click on your WhatsApp. This is for Android users. So you come to the three dots at the top here. You click on it. Click on the three dots. Then you click on settings. So if you click on settings, then you select accounts. So you click on the accounts. You see, you can see passkey, email address, two-step verification, security of notification. So we click on the two-step verification. So currently it's off. So let's turn it on. We turn it on here. So now you are come to set 6-digit pins that if someone is trying to get access to your WhatsApp account, that person needs to enter this key before the person can get access to it. So let's create the pin. So I will type mine here. Make sure it's private. Don't let anyone see it. I will type mine here. So after that, then you click on save. You have successfully set your two-step verification, and now you are safe on your WhatsApp. So anytime someone wants to get access to it, the person needs to enter these 6-digit keys before the person can get access to your WhatsApp. And note, whenever you want to switch to different device and you're logging into your WhatsApp, you have to enter this 6-digit key before you can get access to your WhatsApp. Please do not forget your PIN, else you will lose most of your data. In the next video, I'll be doing the same thing for iOS, how you can set two-step verification on your iPhone users. This one is for Android users. Thank you.